Azalamanhle nanamhla siyanivusela ehlelweni lenu iPublic Insight Reloaded. Namhla ehlelweni lenu sinemhlonishwa umlangeni ngithanda legama lelithi Prince. Siyavusela Nkosi.
Hayi siyavusela Dlamini yokunene.
Umlangeni Honorable MP yasemayiwane. Sitawucela Nkosi kancane nje utithule kuthi ngubani wakabani. Kude nembukele ekhaya ahambe kanye nathi.
Libito lami ngingudlamini sicelo Prince ngekuhamba ukuphila so ugcine uphuwane la kungangosi engaba ngikungangosi ngitalwa eHereford esikhom kaJeke sikhulu sami ngibabe sikhulu dlala utsaka induna yami ngivongo Nsinisa enhla etulu kaHoho la ngichamuka khona Nkosi
sibonga Nkosi kuba nawe namhla ehlelweni. Umhlonishwa lobonakala uthandwa abantu siyakubona senkundleni yokuxhumana abakubita emagama incumbi lamaningi, let me put it like that, but you eloquent, but you charismatic. Umlangeni ake sesicale simthathe emagameni akhe la tithula ngawe emakhosini makafika Nkosi kumbe ungasichazela ukuthi ekhama lithole emajahende la kungankosi sakuva nokuthi wabuthwa Nkosi ukuthi majaha bona ukuthi ngiliphi igama leli kufanele naye la Prince Nkosi ngilo Prince bengadi ngoma ekhaya bakunika igama lelifanele lo Nkosi.
Ya lela Prince ligama nje nami ngitalwa lapha kaNdlunga ayaba endlini yabani kuthi lengathi kunjana kusiso sigaba ligama nje emahlahleni nangifika khona banginika ligama elithi ngilethe intuthuko awulela kungankosi liyamila nje ngendlela ngakwamba usebenta kuletinye tindzawu letingapane bagcine bakubita ngaligama lalengapane yakho shothi lela kungankosi nje iligama lalengapane yalekhaya
Nkosi
bathi nginkungankosi ngaleyo ndlela.
Dlamini yokunene ngabe ingapane yendani hlobo lomuhle
ingapane le khona lekhaya i-provider ema-security services show ukuthi nje na ufuna sikugadzele siyakugadzela na ufuna sikucizele ema-holiday siyakucizela likhaya lakho lihlale lingileliphephile.
Nkosi Dlamini yokunene emakhosini watithula ukuthi uselijale flexible futhi lijale lisha wathi already kwenda uma ngiphi task level aphambi kwakho ngabe umlangeni bekasho ukuthi nemakhosini lobo nokuthi usemani kulawo magama.
Nangitethula esilweni semhlaba inkosi Mswati wesithathu ngaveta ukuthi ngilijayele selincane leli nemandla naleli lilungele ukugijima nanamhla sekuphela iminyaka emibili ngingenile eParliament solo ngime lapho nje ukuthi ngilijayele elincane lelilungele ukugijima naleli gijima kwempeleni solo ngime lapha magama ukuthi ngilungele ukugijima ngiyagijima futhi.
Dlamini yokunene mhlonishwa waphinze wathi faka sathi uma wenziwa i-background yakho inkosi kuma forces ukuthi you can take a bullet for the king. Ngabe umlangeni kuloko abesho ukuthini?
Ngaveta emakhosini lokuthi ngilungele kuma elayinini ngimelane nawo wonke lomelana nengwenyama ngisho njalo namhla nangisho njalo ngisho ukuthini livela kaNgwane liphethwe emakhosi wonke lophila lapha evini la kaNgwane ugadzekile Nkosi ukuthi ahloniphe phinze awavikele emakhosi ethu nami ke njengesishaya umthetho lesikhethiwe zakhethwa ngetinkundla ngibhekekile ukuthi ngivikele iconstitution ngivikele ingwenyama ngivikele liswati lelikhona kona lelingakhona solo ngime emagameni ami Nkosi ingwenyama ngidayivikela nangabe vele khona lo ufuna kuyofika kiyo kuyawubita Nkosi Lusi engcelanga kimi kucala angikafiki le ngwenyameni solo ngimile kulawo magama leyo and senginemandla futhi kiwo because ngiyabona ukuthi ingwenyama yethu ilihola ngebucotho lelive Nkosi Dlamini.
Dlamini okunene siyabonga kakhulu umhlonishwa kule nkcazelo. Now asesingene emabomo eParliament esithaphinde sibuye kulabo labakuyise eParliament. Sithi uyakhuluma eParliament. Mase uyakhuluma mhlawumbe uwenda lo wakudela eParliament.
Engiholela kona vele
And there might be some misinterpretation. Umlangene kuba ilunga leParliament kusho ukuthini kuye? Kuyini umsebenzi wamalunga eParliament?
Kuba ilunga leParliament kimi kusho ukuthi lesive sonke sala eSwatini noma ke saseMaiwane kufanele it's a must ukuthi sihambe sonke siye eParliament. Kepha nasibuka lokuthi le Parliament yethu incane angeke ize ikhone ku-accommodate le live lonke. Kwase kuyabonakala ukuthi akukhethwe umuntu munye lotawuhamba ayomela leyo ngudla le eParliament ayoyikhulumela tidzingo ta leyo ngudla. So kimi kuba seParliament kusho ukuthi ngingilabantu bonke baseMaiwane lo njingile lo phuyile lo ngcono nalokabi nalonjani loxhwalile noma ke lokhubatekile nalophila kahle nje nginguloyo mvloyo mina ngimelele nje wonke umuntu lo khona eMaiwane kanye naseven long ngoba nawulunga eParliament awumelele ngudla yakho kodwa umelela nelive lonke. So I'm the voice of the voiceless.
Sikhona istrategy ngosebenzisa ukuva lemivo yebantu. Kungaba kulabakhetha eMaiwane ngaba sive saseSwatini. Ngiphi tools olisebenzisa ukuthi kuva lemvu yebantu mabakuvimba endleleni bayakushayela how do you work with the people especially those that elected you to Parliament?
Ku le system yale live la kangwane yakushaya kwabalula lento nengonyama yaqinisekisa yathi malunga eParliament ningasuki kulaba bantu labanikhethe. Yabe yanenduna yetinkundla jikelele babesikhumbuzo Dlamini yathi every after 3 months ifune emalunga ahlangane nalabantu kutova lokuthi basebenta njani kumele basebente njani. Mina ngele ngikwendako kusukela ngakhethwa kuze benginyaka angasuki le kulabantu labangikhetha eMaiwane. Each and every day ngihlala nabo nabasemabholeni ngilekhathe ebholeni nabasemgcwabeni ngilekhathe emgcwabeni nabasemasontweni noma bengiluphi ihlobo ngile masontweni nabafelwe ngibakanye nabo. So nawunalabantu lo muntu akakubona utawukhuluma inkinga yakhe mhlambe lenye ilanga athi uyayiceba le nkinga yakhe kanti kuwena so yakuphathisa ukuthi hamba okhuluma na inkinga yami eParliament. Kulokunye ke abathi ngithi bakhulume nje bamna uphila nje ubuka uyambona lo munye usibone isidingo sakhe ubone lesidingo lesi kufuna ngiyosilobhisha kulamanye emalunga ngiraise lenzaba eParliament sikhona kuyisebenza. So kafishane strategy sami silula I stay with the people all the time.
Mhlonishwa khona njani hlana lesive ngoba phela lesive siyahlupha lesive sifuna kulfisi silambile. One of the things that you mentioned as well Mount Ithula emakhosini ngokuthi lokunye lokwakusida kuba ngcenye yalesive ukuthi wawusinaka nasekulambeni shothi ngemali abantu babakho. Ukhona njani mhlonishwa ngoba labaningi bathi mase bakhethiwe bangahlala emakhaya bacashe la eMobeni mabenga la mamakethe babeke icingo endleleni abese ecingweni azokufika kumbe egedeni kakhe. Usurvive njani wena kuhlala bemabholeni emingcwabeni emasontweni Nkosi bantwana balamba usebenzise imali ebantwana yini?
Liqiniso leliphelele labambu laba bakukhetha so nabakukhetha usuka lekibo nawuhlala nalabantu batakubona labantu ukuthi uphila njani. Batawati ukuthi ekhikini lakho kungena malini. Batawati ukuthi nabakuqela noma ngayini nangabe ude afford batawube ubata angizuvele uhlala nabo labantu. Nabakubona labantu uphila nabo nanidla leso sinkwa bakubona ukhiphe le mali yale sinkwa lambi kwabo uyidle nabo labantu babone cha ude umlangeni sibonile njinja 20 rand kubuya 6 rand athenga sinkwa sadla kwaphela. lokwenda ukuthi mhlambe ukhangithi sokhanza umhlonishwa sowucele kati imbasha noma sekunjani njani ungathi bamfu sebangathi bayamcinzetela umhlonishwa ngokumcela kakhulu ngiloko ukuthi ushiye labantu lemve emakhaya uhambe uye emadolobheni yohlala khona vele ke labantu batawucabanga ukuthi le madolobheni vele ubaphanzela le mali kanti le madolobheni kude nalokwendako so imfihlo lapho nje ukuthi hlala nalabantu bakubona abantu way of life yakho bakubona labantu ukuthi uphila njani batawugcine babuka abantu sicawu umhlonishwa wethu akanalutho ngosi yami na umcela kude vele utakuthola kuwe kepha wabaleka kulabantu uvele sathi usugaya imali ubuya sitakuqela le mali lamakhaya
ongalamalanga so simhlonishwa abantwana abalambi nje ekhaya mhlonishwa uma ukuthola ukuthi abantwana sebakuzonda nokuthi babuse eParliament noma imali yonke yokuphila kwakwala ekhaya seyigcwelela siveni kani awusihulumende ngeke usikhone sive
abantwana abalambi uNkulunkulu usibusise ngabo ngalokuthi uyaba nabo bayadi ukuthi konke lesikutholile kufuna sihlephulelana la khasenele sohlephulelana labanye nalabashumayela bayasho ukuthi God blesses you to be a blessing to others ngoba noma bami bakucela uyabuka nawe tidzinga ukuthi cha lona udzingile vele uma ungamsithi kude lo tomsitha so kafishane siyazama lokubalansisa ukuthi nalakhaya kungalanjwa nalomnye longasitakala ngaphandle azame ukusitakala without compromising the family.
Mhlonishwa wami hlonishwa kuletinye into yathi raiser mawutithula indzaba yekuthi ungathi ulahliwe mayiwa deserted the words that you used etindzabeni temali etindzabeni temgwaqo wamenshina kusemakhulunywa ngemgwaqo kwahlala kude petrol loya emayiwa songenile ke manje eParliament mhlonishwa kukhona yini lo bashukumisile kukhona yini inguculo loyibonako kuleti inhlangothi letimbili kakhulu wakhala ngato mawungena
siyabonga ngosi solongenile sibonga nje kwecala nalesive sasemayiwana ukuthi sikubone kufanele ukuthi sithumele ijayeli njengami leligijimako and lelisata ugijima lusito uhulumende lukhona
okay
kuphela nje kufuna kusuke lo mhlonishwa noma ke lenkundla lekungiyona yakhethwa leyanikwa emalungelo ukuthi ihambe yele emahhovisi iyocela lusito yebo ke by design akubadalelwa ukuthi umhlonishwa ahamba yocela lusito kudalethe ematiko onke and nakulabathi decentralization alusabhadela lusito lugcwale live lonke kepha ke because of scarcity of resources kufanele lemhlonishwa asukume atokhona lokuba aletha labantu ukuthi cha enzaweni yami kunesidingo lesiphuthumayo ngangisho ke inkosi Dlamini ukuthi solo sicalile nje sigijima singasho namhlanje isibinzi noma singabele emakhosini siyobika singasho ukuthi akuyagudutele mayiwane bogandaganda behlaba yenyuka imigwaqo iyapolishwa konke nje kuyasetshenzwa impela la ngena khona ngikhala bayakhumbula ngikhala ukuthi isikhalo sami sathini ema project nje awusacasace mayiwane kuyasetshenzwa ngidawubela nje emakhosini nyolo ukuthi wena waphakathi awukuyasetshenzwa emayiwane abantu abakho ematiyo cha bayasiva kakhulu emayiwane so there is a little bit of a improvement
Dlamini kunene mhlonishwa wami shothi nje next time nje imoto lencane itawuhamba kamnanzi mayona kusathi uthenge 4x4
ungasakhulumi nanga next time nasuka la thatha imoto yakho lencane usonzile emayiwane konke kwamba kahle emayiwane
siyabonga mhlonishwa I think we also saw na agency yahulumende under DPM's office imixemandi MDMA temporal setup ikhona le permanent letawu isolution yalendzaba temandi
tindzaba tebanti sikhanze tinkinga emayiwane kepha ke singasho namuhla ukuthi kunengilokwendiwako in terms of emanti NDMA nje siyabonga kakhulu kukhona ama infrastructures lesaka waphakamisile emayiwane lapho khona service khona ukuthi sinathe emanti na natural resources lokungirural water naye khona emabhoholes lokhathi usigubha gubhele wona ukuthi siphindze sifune siyofuna lusito etinini tenkosi ukuthi basifakele emasola lata ukhahlela lamanti afike emakhaya abantu ngicabanga nje kuloluhlangothi lwemanti NDMA usibambise kakhulu kanye nabo natural resources basibambise kakhulu bangakusigubhela emanti kutawucishe nje ngabekisa ukuthi by the year 2026-2027 indzaba yemandi emayiwane sitabe sikhuluma tindzaba lesetishintshile kwanyalo kusacathuta nje emantini kuyancengeka kancane tawugcine kulungile.
Dlonisha ukwashoshela yini lama projects lawa? Is it projects lowathole aku pipeline from the previous government yasemayiwane noma waqalile ngoma uwacucutele kuthakendeke kumbe beyasamile ngoba phela igola lingeni ufuna kube khona lolicethelayo?
One of the greatest things about the Tinkundla systems of government ukuthi kuthi indzaba yokuqedzela
Okay.
nekuqala kunendzaba ye service delivery. Kude ukuthi don't do this because ikucalwe ngimi.
Okay.
Noma kuqalwe nabe kwaqala nga 2001 nakuphumela namhla kufanele ukuthi kucalwe ngimi.
Okay.
So kuba nale succession plan nje ukuthi kuyaqhubeka but nje kuphendula lo mbuto wakho ube straight ma project le kakhona lamanengi la khona emayiwane acisha asetshenzwa kakhulu ngile current cabinet noma ke current Inkundla council lekhona emayiwane. Yes akhona la ifuel okanye uthi aqhamuka from the previous Inkundla council but lamanengi la anyalo.
So nibambisane kamnanzi nekhaseli kude ukuthi lenye indvodza ebuke ukuthi akangene nami ngiyafuna ngene emva kwakhe.
No, i-council yasemayiwane uma bengingayigauge nje in terms of percentages bengafuke nginika nabo 98% kubanjiswe nemayiwane kuyasetshenzwa kuyahlonishwana ngiloyo yasathi isigaba salomunye.
Siyabonga Mhlonishwa. Also another concern wabanayo Mhlonishwa emakhosini was the issue of scholarship. Liyathusa abantu bonke ukuthi ngibani lohlelele kubuka ukuthi nombe emayiwane angasitholi scholarship kubantwana. How is there any progress on that matter? If there is no progress kukhona yini umhlonishwa la kwendawo ukuthi bantwana beliswati bathole scholarship, especially those that are deserving. Balingane bonke. I think recently minister akushito ukuthi kude kuthengiswa kwe scholarship. So nje le ndzaba yakho lena ibhlungu sizase sive namhla ukuthi is it still on? Ngoma kumbe sekufuna ufaka ithendele elikhulu bite bonke abafundisi tawuthandaza uma phela it must be a demon uma kutawendeke emayiwane kuphela.
No ngozidlamini ngicabanga ukuthi singabonga nje ka school ababaka scholarship baka labor and social security because what I did nangena eParliament I went to engage them.
Okay.
Kuhlola ukuthi kepha ke lesive sasemayone sisita njani wabantwana bakhona baya apply scholarship bashayise labakwenda ke baka labor baqela ukuthi Inkundla council ibahlanganisele bonke abantwana basemayiwane labasesikolweni nalabasaphumeta ikolweni nalabacithethe ikolwa sabahlanganisa ke abantwana babuya babafundzisa especially labe base bayobhala babatshela ukuthi to qualify for scholarship ufuna ube umithe kunema issues ema points kunema points lekufuna uwamithe vele ba emphasize ebumqokeni bekufaka emandla emsebenzini wakho wesikole. So beta ke babafundzisa abantwana and we've seen a tremendous improvement kulethi indzaba leto because bantu bethu sebaya qualify bantu bethu imfundo sebayibuka ngeliso lelihlukile emva kwale encouragement leyaqhamuka khona ka labor. Sebayakhona abantwana ukuthi ba qualify ama points abo abende basiphola scholarship lo ngasiphola scholarship lokhathi vele ama point akhe aka reach lapho nakhona siyam encourage ukuthi hamba ulungise nasifundo sakho nasi utokhona qualify next time. So we've had a handful number of applicants last polile scholarship and we really appreciate that. It's a positive way forward.
Uma ungene officeini shothi lo letikhalo wa trust I reality ngobe kulama issue ama scores ukuthi labantwana bangathatheki ka scholarship.
No ngingakusho lo ukuthi from the position I was at that time I thought it was real.
Okay.
But upon further investigation ngase ngiyathola ukuthi no lokwenda ukuthi ungasipholile scholarship kulosivele awuqualify ukusiphola scholarship not necessarily mean ukuthi bayabuka lo ncamke emayiwane lo ncamke embabane bese babeka wasemayiwane eceleni. It wasn't the case but now lapha kashane from a layman point of view ungaqabanga lo. But as we engage with bantu besikolo engage with labor labantwana bashintsha mindset bafaka imandla esikolweni now bayakhona kusitanga.
seba appreciate nabo.
And they very much appreciate. Just yesterday I received a call. Thank you Mhlonishwa for bringing us bakalabor. Now mfana uphase kahle uyahamba nje usifole scholarship, which is positive.
No, that's positive. Now siyabonga kakhulu Mhlonishwa emandla lo wafakako ikakhulu lokuthi ungichaza ukuthi awungacebeti abantu emakhosini. You are raising concerns that you have lo athola uma ungene office waphinzwa nema follow ups and ma follow ups afake ekhathi ukuthi li office la labor liye kubantwana at that level let's ku appreciate lokho ku government. Mhlawumbe sesingene eParliament emabomu Mhlonishwa. Tinkundleni tokuchumana ujabulisa labane matinyo nalabede matinyo. Bathi uyakhuluma leParliament. Ngaphi nje Mhlonishwa ama motion lo raisile locabanga ukuthi so far abene impact eParliament mhlawumbe you go further ukuthi udiva uthathe kanjani ngalawo ma motion.
Siyabonga Nkosi mhlambe umvu angasho ukuthi the reason I get paid each and every month is because ngikhulumile eParliament.
Okay.
Yebo wona ngingabhadalwa ngingakhulumi, that it would be like ngeba le mali emaswati. Sizathu the reason for my existence as a member of parliament ukuthi ngikhulume eParliament. Ngikhulumile eParliament ma motions sesiphakamisela amaningi kakhulu. Yekucala nje indzaba ye ma issues ebambu labana 60 weminyaka.
Okay.
Ukuthi siyacela ba retire baye ekhaya. Sikushiso yini lokho? Lokho sikushiso ukuthi I duty yethu as MP. I think in section 3 of the constitution, or if I'm not mistaken, or 2, uthi manje everybody has a duty to make sure ukuthi I constitution iyahlonishwa.
Okay.
And agamele sikwethelele lo. So indzaba ye kusebenzisa abantu labana 60 years. I constitution ukuthi now na 60 you will just retire. So everybody ubhekekile ukuthi na akuhloniphe lokho as per the constitution. Na bese sibona silive sihlete indzawo ukuthi cha 65 so yalunga sitawubiyela ku constitution yethu si amende sithi 65, then ke sitawubuya sithi when you are 65 years go home because siphatha lapha constitution. Angisho ke Nkosi Dlamini ukuthi raising such motion angabi favorite kulabanenge, especially those who are enjoying lenzaba lenzaba ukuthi bayasebenza banabo 60.
Yes.
Angathanzeki.
Okay.
Some of them even today they don't like me.
Okay.
But to be honest, eParliament awukayeli kuyothandwa ngumuntu. Uyele kuyokhuluma tindzaba temaswati letiliciniso futhi. And now uthi uyakubuka lento le kuyachubeka ukuthi labantu banabo 60 bachubeke basebenzele la public service. Nkosi Dlamini umuntu ona 60 sibheke umuntu lo appointwa is the appointing authority. Idam appoint unayo le right ekappointa umuntu lo over 60.
Okay.
The appointing authority. Number 2 umuntu ona 60 ngumuntu lokupolitiki. So if you retire from public service and you wish we have ukuthi angisene imali, you better join politics because politics ngani free and we join on individual basis. We emphasize kusho ngekweliciniso lo ukuthi lona 60 Nkosi Dlamini siyacela vela ka ekhaya.
Okay.
Lona 60 Nkosi uvalele iyouth. Ngicanga uyabona nje ukugijima emasotsha etinkundleni.
Yes.
Lapha embabane bekiwe khona lapha lelo hotel lalicele bantfu labato sebenza lina 50 wetikhala. But you saw over 1,000 people came to apply for 50 tikhala. Uma ke as a legislator ngikubuka mne lento uma bekungangenwa la ministry by ministry khishwe bonke labantu labana 60. I'm telling you we can create more tikhala talabantfu labasha abahlete emakhaya. And of course you become unpopular when you say that.
So labantu lobo lesikhuluma ngabo nyalo bakhona la ma ministers laba over 60 ngaphandle kwalama laba appointiwe.
la kuma ministry Nkosi Dlamini ngakuthatha mina ngikufake khona namuhla ngiyakutshela ngicinisile singaphuma nebami laba over 100 kanti ministry yina over 100 webantu laba over 60 baningi kakhulu bahleti latidwe nabafundi emakhaya
ba just iminyaka inkosi ngoma iyabona le computer yakhomba lo mnyaka licino selishayile
awu umfuna elungelo Nkosi lekuya ukuthi hawu akusasiwo lo mnyaka lona lo awusengilona ngoba mhlawumbe ukanti usengatilungiseleli kahle kuya ngasekhaya
kuyavakala nhlobo lomuhle manibuka manikhuluma lo kuyavakala khulumende ukuthi akwende as you have raised it in parliament is there any action
angeke sisho ukuthi ikhona action noma kude sengayibona
okay
because noma sikhulumile ngako uyokhanya it's public service
okay
uyaba renewal ema contracts akutshele ukuthi ma specialist ubathi uyabuka specialist sani ungasibonwe le specialist but nasibonwe ngibo baka public service much against ema resolutions e parliament ugcine ubenza but my duty khuluma theirs is to implement lesikhulumako futhi theirs is not to implement it's up to them but neliqiniso sitabe selikhulumile
but ngenhlonipho Nkosi nekuthanza isystem lelive lesikulo umbono ungathini nakubo laba semabandleni nakubo laba appointiwe ukuthi baphile beyond 60 and 70 in those position akuvelini akuvetini gap ngaphela sonke ngesiphile forever akuvetini gap yokuthi uyofunza nini nangilomunye lo solo anateta angangeni kulawa mabandla maybe you can also have an opinion respectfully ukuthi nakhona lapho it could be considered maybe to balance up or bantu bangahlali baze bothasha na 80 because we know there are people that are reaching that as far as that my concern is the gap the best iyavuleka because I hope you understand my question
no siyakhathatika ngegap but ke njoba ngishito ukuthi as a legislator ngiprotectana kulapha constitution so
okay
iconstitution ayikhulumi ngemabandla
okay
uthi emabandla utawufaka labana le age lengaka so I rather not commit myself
okay
kule ndzaba temabandla because kude la ne provision yabo khona constitution
ukhuluma ngakho
utaba ngaka ngidawucila March kuloku le constitution lengidakuvula ngithi nawe constitution 8 so ngala emabandleni kude constitution lekusho ukuthi ngilokhu ngakanani nje singathi ma politicians nje now so politicians are allowed to work even if they're 110 years old they are allowed to work but we might be concerned about the issue of a succession plan because we don't know what will happen in the future so if all people are 80 years old ngiyabekisa
oh yes true
so the gap between 80 and 40 it won't be covered so we may be worried but we rather not comment about that.
Because you also spoke about in parliament now. I will pick what I can remember. Indzaba yabotishela laba bhatalwa nge-rate yaka matric or grade standard 5. Bese kuba nabonesi abakubo 8 soldiers. So I think you also mentioned a certain cleaner in one ministries legu 8 soldiers 5 6 mabacala and police are higher than the teachers la bhatalwa kukhuluma kwakho kwangathi you have been approached with that concern ngokuthi abothisha bacela kunakelwa kuloko angathi umlangeni kumbe they have been overtaken by events kumbe kule review that is considered mhlawumbe umlangeni ngachaza lo ukuthi badibana nayo etindleleni ba raise ama concerns uyawafaka lapho how was it received
okay mhlambe Nkosi I can declare to you today that I was a teacher before a contract teacher I was working on contract teaching at primary school so some of the issues ngiyawati but mostly njoba sishito nasacala la ukuthi mina ngihlala nalabantu nabe bothishela bende ma events I joined there invited or no invited ngiyabajoyina so uthola lama issues la kuphileni kwabo so bothishela le mpilo abayiphila ko is so sad.
Yes.
As we are speaking right now here sitawuvumelana thina na ukuthi ngumsebenzi wathishela. Thishela singamfananisa nedoza lehamba iyovula lihlathi yakhe umgwaqo. Kubuye emalori kuthelwe i-tar road. Nakuthelwa i-tar road bese betabonjinela labafundiswa ngithishela sebatshala lebulldozer ukuthi sukungahambi la sosibulalela lo mgwaqo. Sebakhohlwa lo mgwaqo uvulwe ngile bulldozer. Akakanakeki ithishela even and it's very painful. Sithike thine akunandzaba ke kufaka thishela ku contract. It's not a problem. But sicela phela umholele ngale grade noma ke ngale certificate sakhe lasifundzela. It's so painful ukuthola thishela lo spende 3 years enda idiploma e college. Ahole njengami mina lengigcine ka form 5. Sengenda umsebenzi wecleaner bese thishela hola njengami. Thishela lo contract na thishela lo permanent benda one and the same job. We are prepper, we are schema, we are maka, wende ama assignment, udlalisa abantwana ubendesa physical education ukwenda konke. But when it comes to ukubhadala lo so ubhadala kakhulu lo so ubhadala kancane and it's an embarrassment lento leyo. So we stand firm nje siyacela ukuthi uhulumende akubuke in fact kude la Africa kude emhlabeni wonke jikelele umlohluku lohlukubeta bothishela other than our country. Thishela akaphatheka kahle and it's very wrong. It's very wrong. We are going to be their voice. We are going to shout until someone hears our voice. Siyari sekugcineni sitawugcina sivakele. I won't dwell much kulama issues a review yabothishela. Noma ibabeka kahle noma ibabeka kabi angeke ngene kakhulu ki. Mina ngikhuluma ukuthi a qualified teacher must be paid as per qualification yakhe. Khona la tikolo inabothisha banema degree lekumele bahole ku C5 but they have been placed ku C3 for quite a long time. Thishela u contract for 20 years. Can you imagine 20 years? Ude pension, ude ma benefits nakafa thishela kutaba ngathi kufe angeke ngitsine kufe angeke ngithi taba ngathi kufe inja but inja siyathi sitiphatha kahle emakhasi titsela kuhle. Taba ngathi kufe inthuthwane nakufa thishela ufundise ku government for 20 years. May someone out there hear the plight of teachers amane angenelele because nyalo ezispeak uhulumende ugweta bothishela kude bothishela tikolweni benda umsebenzi lo double but ababhadala. So sikhulumile ukusitawucubeka futhi sikukhuluma ngozidlamini
ekukhulumeni kwenu umhlonishwa kukhona yena umehluko leni ubonako ngoba we are just maybe waiting to see what the review will bring. Maybe the review will consider some of the things, the concerns that you raised in Parliament.
No, so far kude lushintsho lokuchamuka kakhulu ingcazelo. Ingcazelo kuchaza ukuthi bothishela sibabhadalelani kuloko. And I think kuloko it's high time ukuthi iParliament istembe iauthority yayo ingasabuthi imbuto ukuthi bothishela babhadalelani but rather inike idirection ukuthi go and do this. Now we have to say go and pay teachers as per their qualifications as opposed to ask why are you paying teachers like this? Then you will respond, I'm paying teachers like this because of APCT. Then what next? Nothing. The teachers will going to cry until I don't know what happens.
Maybe it's not because no, because my wife is a teacher. But onke ma concerns longa raise the Parliament ngidawubuthi umbuto ke ngithi ba akuva nama imalunga because lokhuluma ngako malo lokwenda eParliament is what we can call balancing your interests vis-a-vis the interests of the people that have sent you to Parliament. Ama emalunga akuva yini ngoba emalunga abuka ukuthi hayi as long as mina ngiphila ngeke kusupport lo ngoma like uyase mhlawumbe uthi ukukhuluma wedwa ikubete lokulekelelako kunjani isimo.
No, The 12th parliament Nkosi Dlamini, I would say lendzaba kuthishela indzaba lehlede enhlitiyweni emalunga eparliament yes 12. It is a pity ukuthi mhlawumbe abathola ngathuba ukuthi idebate kahle empeleni iseta.
Okay.
Ngoba ngikhona seyifakile iseta. Ngicabanga ukuthi you can be invited.
Okay.
Ngalelanga lale debate yayo you will hear ukuthi bothishela basenhlitiyweni emalunga eparliament. But I would say nje no, the support is very huge because as nasiyifaka nje nakathi speaker labafuna ukuyikhulumisa the whole house was up. And when the minister say no, let the issue not be discussed here, I'm taking it, I'm going to work on it, the members were so furious because they wanted to say something about the issue. Unfortunately, they didn't get a chance, but they will get the chance during the debate of the issue. So the support is so huge.
So sibe singakhululeka ukuthi noma bomhlonishwa abanayo interest yebantu kune interest abo.
No, the nation must just relax. MPs have got the interest of the people at heart. Yes,
Siyabo. After raising it Nkosi, because kwaphuma nakubo social media. Sinathi uyakuvusela yini just to give you more information on their concerns. Are they or they are relaxed from their position?
Okay, what I can say, relationship here too with this NAT and any other organization, once you talk about their issue,
okay,
they will definitely call you.
Okay.
And they will definitely give you information. So
okay.
Snati uyambuta nje ukuthi kunana indzaba na ihambe njani. They are able to give you more information because vele eqinisweni eparliament angeke ukhulume uthi information siyithatha kibo labalusela bami. If I can give you my phone nje nithi buka, if I can stand up nje and say hey asekume kwenteka nawo Nzambama will have more than 20 people commenting about the issue and giving me information about the issue. We don't asiswele nje information about any issue we want to debate because le live seliya understand asiphala umuntu osimthumile nasimthumile asim-equipe nasikhuluma nje eparliament esikhuluma ngathishela you can even look at your wife and take me as your wife uthi ngiyaloku ukukhuluma thishela because I know exactly what they are going through. So yeah, people are giving us information, the organizations are giving us information, and we really appreciate the working relationship we have with all people who are concerned about my issues as well as our parliament.
No. Siyabonga kakhulu Mhlonishwa. It's just my concern Mhlonishwa because maybe one day we'll have a chance to have SNAT abakhuluma nabo ngaphandle kuphela itolo SNAT my executive were full time at their employment. Nyalo sebase officing and of course they are paid better than the scale of government. Bese bayimbo teacher feels they've forgotten about my concerns abo. Sebanaka abo laba khona. But what you are saying today it brings light ukuthi no they are still concerned. They are still concerned. So Blomunhle, another matter that you touched on in parliament lesibonile mhlambe sendlule ma events bekuyindzaba ema concerns ema junior police officers. I think the words that you use were the threats that is posing to the security of the country if ema concerns ema security forces are not considered speedingly. Kukhona lapho inze kwavela khona lokuthi Mtholankulu promise ukuthi he'll be working on it immediately angene officeini mhlambe within a year, but today we hear what we are hearing outside, maybe good news. Umhlonishwa ngathini ngaloko ubonga kube bahlonishwa kubambisana kulendzaba leyo neku appreciate lokho lesikuvako. We may not know but details ukuthi bathole lo bebakufuna ngoba inhlitiyo phela because bawathi utangiholela 250 ngafisa la bekhona 10 rand. That's to look at my demands of my children and life in general.
Yebo Nkosi, ngicabanga ukuthi endzabeni ya phase 2
yes
umuntu nguyelo wayiphakamisa lendzaba eparliament most of because I'm one of them support from the members of parliament, all of them was so great. Bayikhulumisa malunga and everyone lebayikhulumisa wabona ukuthi vele isenhlitweni umvaka lithathele intuba ambonge uhulumende ubonga uhulumende for egcineni ukuthi athi to honor up ayikhiphe le mali as legislators asiyazi le mali ukuthi bengimalini.
Okay.
So noma bathole R1.50 noma bathole R2, we cannot come out and say hey akusuye phase 2 because honestly besathi nje ukuthi bayakweleteka kepha ukuthi bekungimalini besingathi. So sibonga nje ukuthi uhulumende athi to honor up ababhadale tikhalo tahlale tikhona nje basisho ukuthi wonke mvelo unelungelo ekhala, but we cannot dwell much on that one. We just thank the government for finally implementing phase 2. We hope the officers will now focus on their duty to protect Live, the Maswati and all the citizens inside the country, as opposed to Gunaga Tinzabatabo phase 2, because they divert from the core mandate of the security forces. So we thank the government so much. We thank the Prime Minister who's extending backbone finance bagwende lo. Siyakubonga kakhulu. We hope it will bring stability in the security forces.
Siyabonga mhlobo lomuhle. Nkosi honorable sekunathu eminyaka ingene office in Mos.
Yes.
Yini ngoso top priority both in government and emayiwane office ukuthi ukwende kulesikhathi sesisele.
Kulesikhathi lesisele lesingasho ukuthi ngi2 years nako ngemabomu angicala emayiwane. I want to see Mayiwane at first world.
Okay.
Ngifuna kubona imbabane emayiwane. Angifuni ukuthi umuntu aye emayiwane athi vela ngathi usemayiwane. Ngifuna umfaka emayiwane athi vela ngathi useJoburg.
Okay.
So I want to change the face of Mayiwane through infrastructure development, migwaqo konke kuvuleke ama job opportunities emayiwane. Employment emathuba avuleke bamlabasha bacashwe kuthi ngitakwenda kanjani lokho ukhona uhulumende sitawuhlala phansi naye sibonisane njengoba emalungu eParliament ayazama ukuthi equiphe uhulumende amfunela imali ukuthi hamba wende bamlabasha etindzaweni basebenzele currently nje kunemali etawuqhamuka kansi bathi lokuyisebenzisa kwayo aqashe labamlabasha le kuma grassroots level. So in short, in the next 2 years, I want to change Mayiwane to Peacebugo Saseswatini. And when it comes to government,
yes,
I wish government could listen to the people.
Okay.
I wish government could stop being aggressive when it comes to e-welfare yeti 7 tag.
Okay.
I wish government could spend more on service delivery. Ngesikhathi uhulumende aspenda ku service delivery enda lemisebenzi labantu bayajabula. Labantu ngeke bayivukelele live. Labantu batawenda tonke tinto kahle. I wish to see a day whereby utawuya uyothatha i-passport bafike bakutshele ukuthi ngena Nkosi sikusita ngani Nkosi ngicela i-passport bakushute masinyane uthathe i-passport yakho uhambe. As opposed to today uhambe uthatha i-passport bakubemete bangene ngekhathi bende litiya, you see kucekela past uhulumende lo. In short, I wish to see excellency in my office ahulumende. That's what I want to see. We can applaud umhlonishwa Mabulala Maseko because uzamile ukuthi azame ama name tags, azame a lot of things that izamile to try and make the public service to be more effective. But ke yeke mandla esambani lolo kwenta lama office ahulumende it's not okay.
Not okay.
It's not okay.
So kuyathingeka mhlonishwa ukuthi kube nemuntu lo more focus on the individual employees like my ministries in terms of performance.
Yes, I think kukhona in fact lengikucabangile ngihlalele ngedwana.
Yes.
Ngicabangile ukuthi engceye uma kungathathwa emandla ngathi kuthathwe kanjani.
Okay.
Angibekise nje emandla angikade inkundla mina. Etinkundleni ukhazi lo PS letinkundleni uyanikwa lamandla ekudisciplina lesebenzi sakhe.
Okay.
As opposed to ukuthi lesebenzi sethelele atinkundleni ukhazi siyo discipline wakulenye indzawo. Angathi lamandla angahleshulwa kanjani abuyiswe lamatiko labo PS bacrack nje iwhip but okhona labantu kuba on toes kwanyalo people are relaxed.
Yeah.
They just go there bendeltia banatseltia babuyele emakhaya bantu balala emalayinini bavukele emalayinini ukansi ufuna isito thatha eliviki isito bongalithola in 2 minutes lithatha eliviki ulithola just because labantu abasi disciplinable ngathi kuthi kanjani
bayathi abacashwa ngilo PS wabo
bayathi abakacashwa ngilo PS wabo noma ke bangacashwa ngilo PS but lamandla ekudiscipline kube lo PS unawo ngoba ngiyabekisa nje CSC nakabuke all the ministries loku discipline wakhansi kuhamba kancane umuntu wendalicala nga 2020 but up to today so lisatexwa lelicala uyaqhubeka lemva wenda lelinye licala so kuze kuhambe kahle ngiyathi cabangela nje ngisekoneni lami ngedwana
okay to Mhlonishwa we understand abe Mhlonishwa in terms of youth development yini lo ngafisa ukuthi ngabe kumbe uhulumende ufaka mo emandla kuko
ku youth development as we spoke earlier about issues of unemployment yellow.
Yes.
Ngiyacabanga mina ukuthi uma agriculture elitiko la agriculture lingakhipha imali.
Okay.
Lihambe liyele emakhaya sizame ukukhuthatha abantu labasha tindzaba tekulima.
Okay.
Agriculture has proven ukuthi nguye lo booster i-economy. Lengakithi uyibona emalora asuka from South Africa atoletha lizambane la. Ngeke ngalima lizambane ekhaya ngamanje lizambane livuma kangaka so agriculture anga focus nje ukuthi avule amathuba ekulima afakele youth ilime kakhulu nelitiwe ke la ka sports youth and culture
yes
nalingazama nalo ukuthi lithole imali ma capitals ekucalisa labantu labasha emabusiness
okay
because nasingathi uhulumende aba absorb bonke ngabe sicala emanga ngeke uhulumende abakhona bonke udzinga ke lamatiko ukuthi sports and culture thatha abantu labasha banike icapital uba monitor kube nema controls ukuthi nine abantu labasha basemayiwani asenibe ngaka kukodwa lobo RDF but now they focus on the youth nibe ngaka yenda now abu agriculture nine abantu labasha bala emayiwani nayinzawo nayi mhlambe liplaza la uhulumende yabekisa limani la ku rotate lokulima ku rotate nithathe indweni yokuthengisa niphile emakhaya I think bangaba busy labantu labasha as opposed now kude lesikubona kwendeka bahlete titolo bahleti emifuleni ba abuse a lot of things so ngilenga ucabanga ko youth sports ministry na agriculture nabangahlangana kukhona likhambi lesingaphuma ngalo etindzabeni tebantu labasha
lo mhlabathi wangale ngakini Mhlonishwa uyavuma nokulima lokhu umthundo wetinkuku ngabe kule issue yekukhulumisa lenzaba leyo in parliament is it still an issue to be considered maybe it can boost controlling it maybe it can boost and avoid the killings that comes about inzaba yokulima insango sebabulala nakusadlalwa nyalo ukuthi ngabe umhlonishwa lapho eParliament basathini ngalenzaba leyo
no kusete umbiko lesutholile ngayo sayiva nje nasangena
okay
lokwendeka kusifuna lo mbiko ngayo bese siyothathisa emve mayiwani ukuthi bona bathini so for me to talk more about yona I need to be informed who informs me then is the electorate so nothing much I can say on that issue.
Ngiyabonga Mhlonishwa kunetindzaba especially on social media letiphumako letingase emaqiniso about the country letinye tingaba amaqiniso but they are not for public consumption maybe they are destroying maybe ngawuthini atingete bubi lo ngabe avoidekile kube tikhulumeke abantu abadzala tangakhulume budlapha. What can be the contribution of Mhlonishwa about managing misinformation lephuma ekakhulu kuleti inkundla tekuchumana lesithola ukuthi uthi control yato umuntu
Nkosi Dlamini kude indzaba lesingeke sibe ne control yayo if hulumende asethe ema standards la kahle abeke ebaleni ukuthi uma nje afika umuntu athi kungangosi uthola ingodi yemoto
yes
agcine lapho everybody will know ukuthi kungangosi uthola ingodi yemoto but nakuchamuka lomunye athi manje kungangosi usekhaya uhleda kayithola ingodi yemoto le moto leyifana nayo then kafishane ngitsini kude lo khona lokuthi alethe lesifombe noma ke uhulumende akasi powerful
Okay.
when it comes to ema issues ekuphikisa noma eqhaza tinto letikhulunywa ngale live. Uma angenyusa lapho nje kusinaba okhuluma kabi ngenzaba akhona lokuthi akuphendula akuqondzisi.
Okay.
Uhulumende angibekise nje batawuthi iparliament ivaliwe.
Yes.
Iparliament yaSwatini ivaliwe. Abinze uhulumende angasho ukuthi hayi iparliament yangwane hayi ukuthi ivaliwe ivakashile.
Okay.
Umuntu usoto wadi lo because kude lokuphikisako. So kufuna kubalansiswe lento nakakhuluma lomunye kube khona la uhulumende abe strong uhulumende la kuphendula intinzaba. Then ngalelo ndlela liveli litawuvikeleka. Ngicabanga ukuthi wabona 2021
Yes.
ipower ye social media. So uhulumende must invest more on these online publications. Must invest more
Okay.
nala kuphenduleni la online angakubalekela lokuphendula.
Okay.
Because that way sitawukhona ukuthi tinto balance bangajangazi nje abantu bajangaza uhulumende angaphenduli. Nawuzwa ekuphiqiye emaphoyisa la ngiteti kuphi kwatwe lokho ke kube bede lokuphendula ukuthi akusiliciniso. So I think kumele kubalansisa invest more kwenza bathe kuphendula online.
Okay.
Yeah, that's my take.
That's your take. No, siyabonga Mhlonishwa. Mhlonishwa wami sesengasekugcineni kunenzaba lethusi eAfrika yonke, inzaba yokubonakala kwemajaha la tawuvakashela ingwenyama in our prison facilities. Kulomunye lapha khashane ubone budlelwane belive nemave latside. Njoba sesathi ukuthi imunye wabo sobuyele ekhaya kubo. Bubuphi vele umqoka ukuthi kwakhiwe lo budlelwane iswazeni bebedetitha nemave kuyisita kuphi njoba sike seva ukuthi emandla ka issues of national health saya withdraw ngabanye bo president bala emave. Maybe we cannot hide it, the issue of Donald Trump, but kusita kuphi live lakangwane ukuthi lento ebudlelwane nemave onke emhlaba.
Okay, mhlambe without basing my response kule issue yala tivakashi.
Yes.
Ngibe general nje ngithi live cannot live in isolation. Ngeke lize liphile lodwana. Uma lingaphila lodwana ngeke lize lifike enzawo. Kunesidingo lesikhulu vele ukuthi sakhe budlelwano nemave onke la khona emhlabeni.
Yes.
Sikhona kubambisana la singakhona kubambisana khona. Ikakhulu nangabe whatever la sibambisana khona kungalethi bungoti to the citizens of the country.
Okay.
Singabambisana ngeke ngene much kule issue yale tivakashi tengosi because mhlambe nangangena lapho kutaba ngathi sengiconze khona ngithi nje kumcoka ukuthi live libe nebudlwana lamanye emabo.
Mhlonishwa wami siyabonga. Sibonga kakhulu Mhlonishwa wami mhlawumbe ukugcina umbuto ukuthi ufuna kukhunjulwa ngani. Utawumemisa ngokuthi ke Mhlonishwa you are still young, we are fortunate to be at Dlamini. Could you pray or accept a call yaNkulunkulu lengathi yiba indvuna embuso yiba prime minister in the near future?
As a young upcoming politician, now Sebenda, we are ambitious. I wish to be there, but in Joba sadlo nasiphila uNkulunkulu. Thina sikhonda eNazareni sithi lapho esiholela khona thina sitawulandzela. Otherwise, as I mentioned earlier, that I'm young and ready for any task you can define any task. So then you will get the answer from there. Otherwise, I'm young, energetic, and ready for any task.
Ufuna kukhunjulwa ngani Nkosi? Siyathi usemncane usathanda lokukhulu but nje na first term yakho eParliament bayiwana batakukhumbulwa ngani live etakukhumbulwa ngathi yathi le ndodza le lephuma la Parliament le siyayifuna manje bayabona basibuyisele yona nganaku.
I wish to be remembered as an MP. Kwecala nje otalimela liqiniso.
Okay.
When it is not favorable to stand for the truth. Kunjule njengemhlonishwa lotawukhuluma vele lokubuya kubantu le emakhaya. Ngikhumbula nje emhlonishwa utawukhuluma letinkinga leti affect abantu. ngikhumbule njengemhlonishwa lo ngakhulumeli ujabulisa umuntu nalokhulumela ukuthi yena adle esuthi lokhulumela nje ebaleni akhulume ama issues la affecta eMaswati general. I want to be remembered baze basho bani ukuthi there was once a man from the northern part of war kungangosi he said this and that ngicabanga ukuthi kungasiphatha kahle lokho nabantu abethu bangadlela kulelo gama lelo.
Nkosi siyabonga kakhulu bo Nkosi, siyabonga mlaleli ekhaya chubeka usilandzele ku YouTube The Kingdom Online Network. See public insight reloaded. We really appreciate for your time. Thank you.
Siyabonga kakhulu Nkosi.
Nkosi.
Siyabonga.
Winake malokotha ngilomnyama ngilo senhlambelweni malokotha ngilomnyama ngilo njengenyama yesibanda. Sabela bakubita bakuleta betifene betifana mswati omnyama kulobalthuli. Ingani bakubita lathi indzaba tegwazana kunyane tekubulalana. Bakubita nje sebavele balokhelela ivela komsakandaba basontali balekela. Banemanga kabathi kuthi mswati imvulele ngenamsindvo. Ingani uyabhulala amakhulu amalangabi. Wablock bomgabe na shangala kule Zimbabwe bebabulalana. Ubese umamatela kuthula nakuVladimir Putin umRussia. Ngeke lo mphica abadali wakithi namhlasele bahlethi nje badidekile. Ngisho kulesikhulu lesibiyeni namkhothe lapha esenkala ngqabaneni. Isitho ngilemhlophe ngilehlule mange emadodza. Emadodza ngilebehlangene eParliament lapha kalobamba. Athi taphuma sahlala emaqoqwana. Ngilele kubabona ke namsakandaba wasobuthi umhlaba lapha esibayini eDzizini. Ufike wakithi emaqoqwana wasakada. Nabone badibela igudfu basele nje bahlethi bathi ngongcile. Mphandleni wakithi ngilo njengelanga. Lilanga lakithi libofela kabongothotheni. Lishise amahenyane kunyane emaphekula sikhulu ngoba ngumlotha. Bayashamsa kandaba basheleti endlini. Nabona bogijimba basalala emakhaya balala emathafeni. Ngilomshumayeli wakithi ngilomlomo uvuthe emalangaphi. Iyakhuluma imbubethi indzebe tembubethi itekathi indzaba telivangeli. Ngilomabhula umlilo ngeBhayibheli besomamatela haleluya eSwatini. Libhube esilibhodlela lapha estadium eDzizini. Ingani kuye kwavumana uyazi kwezulu. Ikuvumlene Nkosi imisizulu kaZwelithini. Sigoqa sakithi ngilosihle ngileshosha ko. Ngishobuleni ngungulu lemaphi komathe. Ngilele kuthatha nibikota komsakandaba wasewelela ngeshaya kwethlwandle. Ufike lapha eDubai evele emaSulumane. Abese uqoboshela tebuqwephesha. Usukele elikhulu kweligonsowelela ngeshaya eTaiwan emashayineni. Ufike waqoboshela tekulima. Ngilomthuthukiso omkhulu wakithi waseSwatini. Uvule takho evele wayovule netmayini. Ingani kuye kwavuleka amathuba emsebenzi kaNgwane. Banemanga labo bathi Mswati ngmankhotholwane. Basho kulomqupulo ogalaza athi imbitathi salethi ncince mafuza. Ngubuka ngeke sabetholele emfukwane. Ingani lamabhala emehle kwabheja umlilo futhi abheja amalangaphi. Ngilolithwala lakithi elimhlophe kusekwelithwala semangwaneni. Mswati ngilohlala thuka amalahlela avuthako nakho labamphekapheka bocakujaneni. Bayakupheka bayakuthulula emsakandaba. Bahle bakupheka ngishona ngethi imbitathi ebelumpi. Basuke emagonso bayi-US Embassy babuye bajabuleni. Abathi kuthi Mswati ngumakhosi etive nje Nkosi ebusa etiveni. Ukhwazele kusho ikhwasi ukhwazana kusadakini. Uye wakhwazana ngekuthula ngisho kumhlabuthangeneni. Lo manyathelo wakithi unyathelelwa ndlela waseluyokubalekela. Unyathele lapha eTopia Addis Ababa. Babe sesebakunika isihalo sekugcina kuthula eAfrika. Uyimbubu uyingwenyama mdlamathola esinyathi. Haye the, unophakathi.